Hello everyone, it's Max here from Enginetuner. Today I just want to talk to you about this 2004 WRX STi Blobeye that we've just become available on ET Classifieds. The car's 2 owners from new, 79,000 miles, and in those 79,000 miles, only the last 3,000 have been since we rebuilt the 2.1 stroker engine inside of it. In the business end, we've got a 2.1 stroker built by us with only 3,000 miles on the clock. We've got an uprated MD321 turbo, 1000cc injectors, and it's making a safe 450 brake horsepower with more to go. Up front, styling wise, we've got the Moret headlights, we've got the Hella horns, and we've got the Zun Sport front grille. We've also got a front splitter as well as an Enginetuner intercooler nicely hidden behind. As you can see, the exterior of this car has been fully transformed thanks to the ABW 40mm arch kit, the XXR 18-inch alloys with Eagle F1 tyres, and the BC coilover kit alongside K-Sport big brakes all round, so no messing. Everyone's favourite end, the back, we've got Evo carbon fibre fins, Perrin rear spoiler stabilisers, Moret rear tail lights, and a stainless steel full Scorpion exhaust system. This thing makes enough of a rumble that your old lady neighbour's still going to hate you, but not enough that you're going to get the ticket. Okay, join me inside now. We've got the usual STi findings inside, but we do have a uprated Momo steering wheel, AEM gauges, and a Pioneer touchscreen audio unit for all your favourite classic FM tunes. Also in here as well is we've got anti-lag and launch control switches, aka noisy mode and go fast mode. Right, so that's been our walk around of this 2004 WRX STi Blobeye. Thank you very much for watching. Full specs are available on our website, and this car is now available to find a new home. For any more information or an inquiry, please drop us an email on sales@enginetuner.co.uk or DM us on Instagram @EnginetunerLimited. Thanks very much.